Hello friends, today we are going to talk about new phone from Samsung Galaxy, that is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. I welcome you all in my channel ADB Collection. Please watch the video till the end, and if you are interested then please like my video, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start. You all have seen in my thumbnail that today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is a new phone launched by Samsung brand. This phone can be folded, and this is the new in-depth phone, and that is the thing that attracts most to its customers. This phone has a 6.7 FHD infinix Flex dynamic AMOLED display. It has Snapdragon 855 processor and 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. And it also has dual rear camera and 12MP primary camera and 12MP ultra wide angle camera with LED flashlight, and it also has a 10MP front camera and 3300 mAh battery with fast charging. This phone is available in purple, gold and black color. This phone will be launched very soon in India also. If you are planning to buy a new phone, then you can wait for it. That's all for today. To meet me back in next upcoming video, please subscribe my channel.